Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. It's Open House Thursday. Every Thursday we take you through state-of-the-art manufactured homes. If you love seeing new trendy homes, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to walk you through a brand new Skyline Manufactured Home. This model is Sunset Ridge K517H. This is one of the most beautiful manufactured homes with several upgrades including, but not limited to, a 6-foot factory-built front porch, 9-foot flat coffered ceilings, stacked windows, wood window seals, full tile backsplash, quartz countertops, pull-out drawers in the kitchen, large walk-in closet, and so much more. We hope you enjoy this beautiful Skyline Manufactured Home offered by HomeQuest Sales. We hope you enjoyed this edition to Open House Thursday on Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more open houses. We also appreciate all the love you could give by hitting that like button. We hope to see you next week.